welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious. We're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So let's see today's recipe for these very easy to make Easter eggs. Now here I have about 100 grams of cashew nut powder which has been sifted or sieved. This is 200 grams of powdered sugar which has been sieved and 1 egg white. Now I'm taking a non-stick pan and on a low to medium flame I've added both the powders and we're going to mix them up really well. Now we're going to add our egg white and then we're just going to stir everything till everything comes together. It will take you about 2 to 3 minutes of constant stirring. Don't worry if your icing sugar or powdered sugar just flies a little bit out of your pan. It's okay. It does happen. So just keep stirring. Concentrate on the mixture and just keep stirring till you get a very nice smooth consistency. It almost becomes like a thick wax consistency. Now you can do the water test after about 7 or 8 minutes. Just take a little bit of room temperature water, put a little bit of the mixture, and if you're able to form a nice firm ball, that means your mixture is all ready. Just put off the heat and with the residue heat, just keep stirring. Now transfer your mixture onto a glass plate or a steel plate and we're going to let this mixture completely cool before handling it. Remember, it's extremely hot, so don't be impatient to try and touch the mixture. Let it completely cool down. Now a silicone spoon really helps in taking out all of the mixture. Now these are some of the things that you can use. It's easily available. Even if you don't get it in any store, you'll definitely get it online. A little bit of Easter egg decorations and some cupcake holders, molds. Now my mixture has completely cooled down. I'm able to handle the mixture. So I've just taken a little bit of ghee on my hands or clarified butter on my palms, and I'm just going to get all of the mixture together. The ghee or the clarified butter helps in getting the mixture together. So just knead the mixture well for about a minute or so and then you'll get this nice firm mixture which is actually just your marzipan which you can use to make your Easter eggs. So now I'm just using the molds and I'm just making little mini Easter eggs. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of royal icing. I have a recipe for royal icing. I'm going to leave a link for that below too. So here my daughter Ida did all of the icing and the decoration. So all I did was just make the molds and the shape and then she did all the rest of it. She used some nice pastel colors. Well, we just did a trial batch. We're going to make one more batch just before Easter. So those of you who want to just know the Easter egg recipe, I said I'll put up this video for you. Now I have many other recipes too on my channel which I have been putting up for the past 2 years since I've started YouTube. So I'll be putting up those Easter egg recipes too. I also have a recipe for hot cross buns. So I'll put that up too so you all can go and check them out. friends, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about Akshata's recipes. You can also follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I also have my own blog. All links are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the comment section below, as well as today's recipe, the entire recipe with all the ingredients, the exact measurements, the method, everything is going to be in the description box below. So be sure to go and click it, and you can find everything there. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those likes. Just click the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below the screen. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will pop up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also, when I'm online, you can chat with me. You get a message that Akshata is online doing a live stream, so you can be a part of the live stream too. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which is stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.